tighten that up a little bit. And I'm trying to get it secured to the point where you can adjust it. It's not going to fall. Go over from your side. Alright, forward a little bit. Nice. Perfect. Perfect over here. Yeah, me too.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one, I'm just going over the 4Runner again. This is our giveaway 4Runner for all of you guys that are new. Every dollar spent on Yoda Mafia gets you one entry into winning this beast. And some updates from last time, we put the little B front bumper on this thing, and man, it looks so good. Functional as well. The welds that were done on this are very, very awesome. Just went right up to the frame. You got some recovery hooks right here as well. And the cool thing that I like about the 4th gen is that you don't have to cut the bumper at all. You literally just take off the front bumper, put on this new one, and it fit really, really good. Breland said that it took him about 30 to 45 minutes just to install this and take the other one off, which is not bad at all. We also put a Yoda Mafia skid plate on this thing, and it has the lowered diff drop for the V8 4Runner. So we got the Cvt Tent on as well, guys, and it is white. If we were keeping it on this thing, we would definitely wrap it black. But I think what Breland and I were both envisioning was something a little smaller. This is a killer tent, by the way. Pops all the way up, fully insulated on the inside. Ladders can go on this side or the driver's side. Fully insulated, has like a little hammock thing to hold stuff. The mattress is super comfortable, but as you can see, it takes up the whole prinsu rack. And I think with this kind of stealth, murdered out look that we were going with this, and granted, it may just be the white tent throwing us off a little bit, we're thinking about getting a soft shell for this. So let us know down in the comments what you think, obviously. But we were thinking maybe a kind of the smaller hybrid one that goes up to about the B pillar or so. That way you still have these bars up front for the light bar that we're going to be putting on, because as you can see, it's very, very close there. And, you know, if someone wants to put a Pelican case or Max Trax, whoever wins this, they would have some room at least on the front of the prinsu roof rack as well. Definitely leaning towards a different one on this. I mean, we just want it to be perfect for the winner. So it is a very, very nice killer tent. The quality of it was super nice. Nice little gasket and everything right here as well. This is the other attachment on this side. So when you pop it open, it has a kind of a door right here, a door on the other side. And like I said, super comfortable mattress, good amount of windows and everything. Very, very nice tent for sure. Also, some more stuff came in for it. We got the Cvt Awning as well. So this is kind of another thing with that. Not really sure how it would hang, because if you see, it overhangs about 3 inches on each side. So this would definitely be out there if we had that. And then we also have the rigged Ultra Swing as well. So they're actually going to be flying down and doing an install video for us. So this is going to go on the back of the 4Runner. We're going to put the extra VTX wheel that we had, the 5th one, with the BFG Cam 3 on it as well. And then that would go on the back of the 4Runner. I just want to make this quick little update video again on the 4Runner. Sorry about the content not being perfect with this thing, because in the beginning we had planned on showing you step-by-step install processes for everything. Unfortunately, the shop where we're at, it's very loud all the time. I live about an hour away. Military schedule, him trying to run a business schedule hasn't been lining up to the point where it's been quiet like this, ironically, to do this stuff. So trying to put on the front bumper, you know, you got grinders and stuff going in the background, trying to put on this rooftop tent. We were doing it with a forklift. So just things haven't been falling in place the way we want them to be. And I mean, obviously parts taking forever just due to the world that we're in right now. I mean, there's suspension companies out there that are like 6-7 months out just to place an order, which is absolutely crazy. But this snowball effect, again, that you get yourself in when you shut a world down is pretty crazy, and we're figuring that out firsthand. So if you guys are new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, appreciate your guys' support. Guys, have a great holiday, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, see you later.